Welcome to Best Electronics. Are you looking for a best smartwatch for cheap? Watch the video and get some idea about best smartwatch DZ09. DZ09 Single SIM smartwatch phone is an amazing product made to fit the new technology in the modern world. Made with copper color, the watch is so attractive to the eyes and the design used is spectacular. It can fit the wrist of anybody as its arms are flexible and can be made to fit every hand. Everyone should own this watch as the new way to receive calls in the modern world. The watch is very easy to use. After buying it and reading the manual, everything else becomes very easy. The SIM card is placed inside the watch. This is a type of technology that only few people have seen. If a person makes a call, the watch response is very fast and doesn't hang while using. Easy to use, being the newest technology in the market for most people, the watch is somehow not easy to set. But this is due to the many features that come with this watch. High power sound. The sound is so loud that no call can pass you, meaning you will never see a missed call from the watch. Camera. Being a small gadget just on your list, the watch is capable of taking photos with its 0.3 MP camera and has efficient storage to store those pictures. Sleep monitoring. Sleep monitoring will enable the users to live a healthy life by knowing the quality of their sleep. The watch is equipped with this sleep monitoring, making it the best in the market. Pedometer. An advanced technology called pedometer is installed in the watch to enable the users to record their steps and count the distances a person can cover during sports activities. Others features: system, Android Wear. Network mode, 2 grams. Rear camera, 0.3 MP. Screen size, 1.56 inch. Battery capacity, 380 mAh. Band material, silicone gel. Waterproof grade, not waterproof. I recommend this watch to everyone because the watch has been tested and is being used by many people all around the world. Having the ability to send messages and to make a call, I think I don't need a big phone for my everyday needs. The features are incredible, and the only big smartphones you could have the same features are quite expensive. Overall, it can be a good choice if you are really in need of a decent smartwatch and don't want to invest much money. Use it with good care and you are good to go with this smartwatch. Visit the description link for price and more details. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel for more videos.